Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. Today I am going to start derivatives of functions in the parametric form. The parametric form is new for you, so I'll start with the definition. Definition you may not get in exam, but better to start with the definition because this is a new concept to you, okay? So definition is as follows: a function of the form x is equal to f of t, y is equal to g of t, where t is known as a parametric, is called parametric form of a function. Now what is the special in this function? Can you identify compared to the previous set of functions? See, you already studied implicit function, explicit function, logarithmic function, exponential functions. Already you saw so many different types of function, but this is completely different from all the previous. Can you identify that difference? Yes, what is the difference? That there is one more parameter, one more variable t. There is one more variable t. It is called parameter. Usually in a function, how many variables you will get? Only two variables, x and y. But in this function you will get three variables, x, y as well as t. This is special about this function, okay? So it will be easy to identify in exam that given function's parametric form. How to identify? Just count the number of parameters or variable. If there are three variables, x, y and t, 100% it will be a parametric function. So remember, a function of the form x is equal to f of t, y is equal to g of t. The one more difference between the previous all and this is there will be a two different component. In the previous functions you saw only a single component, either x is equal to something or y is equal to something, or maybe both in terms of both x and y. But here there are two components. Don't think that this is two different problem. It is a single function, okay, but there are two component, three variable. Remember this, very easy to identify in exam that given function is parametric. So in general it is defined like this. As I told, you may not get definition in exam, but better to remember. Let me take directly an example. See, x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to 280. See, this is not two different functions. Remember that it's a single function. It is a parametric form. Why it is parametric? 1, 2, 3. There are three different variable and two different components. So it is a parametric. Yeah, and it is a parametric form of this equation. This equation, you know, what is this equation represent? Parabola. So this is a parametric form of this equation. How to check whether this is a parametric form of this equation or not? In derivative this checking is not required, but better to know. See this, if we substitute y is equal to 280 and x is equal to 80 square, 100% this two component satisfy this equation. See here, what is y square? 4a t square. This is y square, right? What is 4ax? When you substitute x is equal to 80 square, 4a into 4a square is there here, okay, 4a into t square. So even this is also equal to 4a square t square. So it match, y square is equal to 4x satisfies this component, or this component satisfies y square is equal to 4x. So this is known as parametric form of this equation, and this equation you know already, it's represent parabola. Like this, whatever you will get in an exercise, it will be the parametric equation of some known equation. Remember that. But in this section we are not going to check whether this is a parametric equation or not. Just count how many components are there, how many variables are there. If it match with the definition, 100% it is parametric function. So remember first how to identify the parametric form. Then parametric form is a equation of some equations. Now we are going to learn, after this definition and the condition, okay, the derivatives. See, I'm going to explain now how to find derivative of a parametric form. So let me consider in general, x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t, a parametric form of some equation, maybe y is equal to h of x. And if you want to find out dy by dx of this function, dy by dx of this parametric form, the first step is write down this formula. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Now what is dy by dt? Dy by dt is nothing but differentiation of y is equal to g of t with respect to what? T. Differentiation of y, that is differentiation of g of t with respect to t is dy by dt. Remember that. Understood? Similarly, what do you mean by dx by dt? Differentiation of x. What is x in the given function? F of t with respect to t is dx by dt. Remember, you are differentiating x and y in terms of the variable t. So once you get dy by dt and dx by dt, use this formula. How to use? Write dy by dt in numerator, write dx by dt in denominator. Simplify, you will get derivative of parametric function. So remember this, write down this formula when you start differentiating parametric form. I'll explain this, don't worry, in the next 3 problems. See this. First example. What is the first example? X is equal to 280 square, y is equal to 80 to power 4. This is the first problem in exercise also, remember that. As I told, first write down the formula. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Now, what is dy by dt? Differentiating y with respect to t. What is y here? 80 to power 4. Remember, a is a constant, so it will come as it is. What is the differentiation of t power 4? 4t cube. Since you are differentiating with respect to t only, don't write dd by something like that, okay? We are differentiating with respect to t. Here also variable is t. Divided by dx by dt. Here what is constant? 2a is constant, so it will come as it is. What is the differentiation of t square? 2 into t. So a cancel, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So what is remaining? 1t cancel, right? So remaining is 2t power 2 divided by this 2. Correct? So these 2 cancel. So what is remaining? T square. A get cancel. 2 ones are 2 2. So these 2 cancel. T power 3 by t is nothing but only t square. So this is a differentiation of this parametric function with respect to t. I hope you understood. Whenever you are differentiating parametric form, please write down the formula. It will guide you exactly how you should do. See, usually one problem is here, x will be given first always, but which one you are going to differentiate first? Y. So if you write down this formula, you will not do that mistake. If not, you will start directly differentiating this you will write in numerator, this you will write in denominator, then completely gone. Okay, so write down the formula, it will guide you how to start the differentiation. Got it? Next one. X is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b cos theta. I hope you understood this, right? So you try once, it's easy for you now because this simple method, this is a very simple method actually compared to previous all derivatives. This is a simple problem. Now tell me, what is dy by dx? I'll not write the formula, you write and practice, okay? What is dy by dx? Which one we should differentiate first? Y. B is constant. What is the differentiation of cos theta? Minus sin theta. Now what is the formula actually? Dy by d theta. Parameters change. Here parameter is t. Here what is the parameter? Theta. So don't write this formula, okay? Let me write. So don't write the same formula here, then it will be wrong. Dy by d theta, not t. Remember that. Okay, if you write dy by dt, the formula is meaningless for this situation. Remember that. Divided by dx by d theta. A is constant, right? Differentiation of cos theta, again minus sin theta. Got it? Minus cancel, sin theta cancel. So what is remaining? B by a. This is the answer for this parametric function. Got it? Write down the variable which is present in the given problem. Here variable is t, here variable is theta. So be careful, write down the proper variable. Okay? It is compulsory to write the formula, remember that. Next, x is equal to sin t, y is equal to cos 2t. What is the formula? dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. What is y here? Cos 2t. What is the derivative of cos 2t? Cos differentiation, you know, minus sine into 2t into, don't forget the next one, you have to differentiate 2t. What is the differentiation of 2t? 2 divided by differentiation of sine t, you know, cos t, right? This is nothing but, you can simplify, minus 2 into, what is sine 2 theta formula? 2 sine theta cos theta divided by cos t. So cos t cancel. So it is minus 4 into sin t. So this will be the answer for the third question. I hope you understood. These are the very simple basic problems. Remember that. So still a lot of problems are there to solve. Okay, under this heading parametric differentiation. I hope you understood. Next question, derivatives of parametric function. X is equal to 4t, y is equal to 4 by t. What is the formula? dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. What is dy by dt? Differentiation of y with respect to t. 4 is constant. What is the differentiation of 1 by t? Minus 1 by t square. I hope you know this. Divided by differentiation of x with respect to t. 4 is constant. Only differentiation of t with respect to t is 1. So this 4 and 4 cancel. What is the remaining answer? Minus 1 by t square. I hope you understood. Very good. Next, dy by dx is equal to, what is the variable here? Variable is dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Variable is theta. So formula will be like this. Don't try the same formula. Now, what is dy by d theta? Differentiation of y with respect to theta. What is y? Sin theta. What is the differentiation of sin theta? Cos theta. Minus, what is the differentiation of sin? Cos. What is that? X here, x is equal to 2 theta. And differentiation of 2 theta, you know, 2. Understood? Divided by dx by d theta. Now you have to differentiate this. Cos theta differentiation, you know, minus sin theta. Differentiation of cos enagbeku minus. So this minus become plus sin 2 theta. Into differentiation of 2 theta. It is 2. Whether these 2 get cancelled? Definitely no, don't do that. Don't cancel these two because in between we have minus plus. Okay, so maximum you can write cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta divided by 2 sin 2 theta. I'll write the positive sign first, negative sign next. Don't simplify further, no need. It's not asked prove that, just find dy by dx. Done. Got it? Very good. Next question. Yeah, what is the formula? dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Tell me what is dy by d theta? Y. What is y here? A into 1 plus cos theta. A is a constant, remember, so it will come as it is. What is the differentiation of 1? 0. Differentiation of cos theta, you know, minus sin theta divided by dx by d theta. What is x here? A into theta minus sin theta. A is constant. What is the differentiation of theta with respect to theta? That is d theta by d theta is 1 minus differentiation of sin theta, which is cos theta. Understood? So a cancel. So this will be minus sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. Actually, if they ask find dy by dx, this is more than enough. But sometimes this question will be asked as a prove that. Then you must know how to proceed this. Okay? Minus, what is sin theta? 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Already so many times used this in inverse trigonometric function differentiation. So I hope you know about this formula. Tell me what is 1 minus cos theta in terms of half angle. Did you remember? Because of this minus, it will be sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2. I hope you remember this. Trigonometry. 2 cancel. 1 sin theta by 2 cancel. What is remaining? Cos by sin. What is cos by sin? Cot theta by 2 along with this minus sign. This simplification is not compulsory. Sometimes it will be asked as a prove that. So if they want answer minus cot theta by 2, then you should get it. If not, underline dy by dx. Enough. Understood? Very good. But remember, this is an important question. This is an important question. Please remember this. Okay. Next, x is equal to a secant theta, y is equal to b tan theta. What is the formula? dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. What is dy by d theta? B. Tell me. What is the differentiation of tan? Secant square theta. What is the differentiation of secant theta? Secant theta into tan theta. Very good. So secant theta 1 cancel. So what is remaining? B by a secant theta by tan theta. This can be simplified because you know trigonometry. B by a secant theta hege baribodu 1 by cos theta. tan theta ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು sin theta by cos theta. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗತ್ತಾಗ cos theta ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ sin theta ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇದ್ರಿಂದ what will happen 1 by sin theta ಏನು cosecant theta. This better to simplify. Actually, even if you stop here, you may not lose any marks because they didn't ask any prove that. But since this is a simple trigonometry, it's better to simplify. Understood? The answer is B by A cosecant theta. Last one, it's very important question for 3 marks. Remember, 3 mark question, you can put any number of stars. It's an important question. Remember that. See this, very important, observe carefully. Easy, nothing to worry, it's not difficult, but ask in final exam, no, so you have to be careful, okay? Observe this carefully. dy by d theta, first ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ differentiation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ, always you are going to differentiate the second component, not the first one. Why? Tell me, what is dy by d theta? I'll write here. A is a constant, okay? Sin theta differentiation ಏನು cos theta. Since minus is there, put 1 bracket. Theta cos theta na ಹೇಗೆ differentiation ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Theta cos theta. Theta into cos theta. Differentiation of this with respect to what? Theta. Now how it look like for you? Is it a single function or product, quotient, composition? Yeah, it is product of 2 function. Remember this, it's a product of 2 function. Usually you will forget that, okay, that here you are going to use product rule. You directly differentiate. It's a product of 2 function, so compulsory should use product rule. So apply 1 bracket or put 1 bracket. Since in product rule there are 2 terms, so put 1 bracket. What is the product rule? U into differentiation of cos theta plus cos theta into differentiation of theta, right? No, this is a product rule. I hope you remember this. Okay, so what is the answer? Theta into, what is differentiation of cos theta? Minus sin theta. Since minus is there, put 1 more bracket, plus cos theta into differentiation of theta with respect to theta is 1. Close this bracket. I hope you understood. Theta cos theta is a product of 2 terms. Don't differentiate directly, you should differentiate using product rule. Next, differentiation of x, a into cos theta differentiation ಏನು minus sin theta. ಇಲ್ಲಿ product of 2 function, theta into sin theta is a product of 2 function, so be careful, use product rule. Put 1 bracket, theta into, okay, sin theta differentiation ಏನು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ cos theta plus sin theta into differentiation of theta ಏನು 1. I hope differentiation understood. Usually mistake ಆಗೋದು ಈ position ಅಲ್ಲಿ, so careful ಆಗಿರಿ. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, sin theta cos theta theta sin theta ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಿ. a cancel, so what is remaining? Open all the brackets, okay, it is cos theta minus plus theta sin theta minus plus minus cos theta, right, divided by minus sin theta plus theta cos theta plus sin theta. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, cos theta cancel, plus sin theta minus sin theta cancel. So ಉಳಿದರೇನು theta sin theta by theta cos theta. Theta cancel. So what is remaining? Sin theta by cos. ಈ theta cancel ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಇದು theta cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಈ theta cancel ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So remember, so what is remaining? Sin theta by cos theta. ಉಳಿದರೇನು? Yeah, sin theta by cos theta ಅಂದರೆ tan theta. So they will expect this answer only. Remember that. For this particular problem, the expected answer by the teacher, okay, whoever give the question in a question paper, 100% tan theta. So even if differentiation is over at this stage, you must simplify like this. This is the expected answer. So please get this answer only for this particular problem. As I told, this is an important question. Still few more questions are there that I will discuss in next video. Thank you.